Hello and welcome to today's tutorial. I'm going to show you how you can subscribe to double the data that on your Airtel SIM card. Well, I can tell you that this cannot work for all Airtel SIM cards, but you can at least try on your Airtel SIM card. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, make sure you have the required airtime on your Airtel SIM card. As for me, I don't have any airtime on my Airtel SIM card. Let me show you my airtime balance. It's taking long to load, but okay, you can see my main balance is 0 naira. I'm even owing them. It's kind of funny, and I don't think I've used the airtime at all. Okay, now I'm going to show you how you can subscribe to double the data on your Airtel SIM card. Just open your dialer like I've done, dial *144# and call on your Airtel line. The network is bad here, please. Okay, yeah. You will see a menu like this, setting double data. As you can see, you can get 100, 150 MB for 100 naira, 3 gig for 1000 naira, 5 gig for 15, 11 gig for 3K. Just go for anyone that you want to go for. As for me, let me just try the 1000 naira sub. I don't have airtime or anything. Sorry, I don't have airtime, so it won't really work. They only tell me I have insufficient airtime to use the service. But if you have airtime and you're able to dial this code to check if something like this shows up for you can. Okay, now I've dialed it. They've told me their customer do not have sufficient balance for this plan. That's how to activate double data on your Airtel SIM card. It doesn't work for non-Airtel SIM. I will advise you to first of all dial the code to find out if you're eligible for purchasing airtime on your Airtel SIM card. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. You can turn on the post notification bell icon to receive more updates from us. Thank you very much.